Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubad. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubad and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's video we will tell you about an best application for trading. So if you want to invest something in trading, then this video is for you. So now let's start the video. Before starting the video, it's my request, please subscribe our YouTube channel because uh, on last video we have received some new subscribers, so thank you so much all of them. So now let's start the today's tutorial. Basically our today's website is Exness Go. This is the official logo of this application, and this application have a 4.3 star rating and just 406 reviews because this is newly launched website which is which has only 50,000 users present. In this application we have seamless deposits and withdrawals options for trading. 24/7 customer support is available for your help, and demo account is also available in this application. We can learn from this demo account how to invest and trade in this application, and they will also give us some credit for demo account. Through this credit we will learn many things, and also we have many more options available here in this application Xnext Go. This is basically newly launched a trading application which is used to make more money through investment. So that's why we are making a tutorial for those who are want to invest money in trading apps. So this is a newly launched website application, sorry. That's why they will prefer their users, because now they have a less number of users. So that's why it's my request to make an account if you want to invest something in trading. So that's our today's tutorial. So thank you so much for watching the video. Again, it's my request to you, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And if we receive 40 subscriber on this video, then we will also make regular videos. Maybe we will upload 2 videos on each day if we make 2000 subscribers in this month. So thank you so much all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.